This video will show you how to replace your transmission speed sensor on this Toyota Corolla. This will be mounted along the driver's side of your transmission. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Remove your engine cover by lifting straight up and away. Next, we're going to remove the upper air filter housing. We're going to leave the mass airflow sensor wiring harness attached. We'll dislodge the air inlet tube from the housing using a 10mm. Just loosen that clamp, slide this out of place. Now you're going to find that you have two locking clips along the back side of the air filter housing. They essentially look the same. Go ahead and take hold of those, we'll pull them out of place, and now we can remove that housing from this area. Just go ahead and lift it up and set that aside. Remove and inspect your air filter, replace as necessary. Under the air filter, you're going to find that you have three 10mm bolts holding the lower housing in place. We'll remove those. Now we'll start dislodging the electrical wiring harness which leads to this. If you are looking along the back side of this metal tab, right along where I'm feeling here, there's a small tab that we want to gently grab onto, press down, and then we should be able to slide this out of place. I'll show you what it looks like in 1 second here. There we go. See if I can flip that enough. Now you can see that tab right in the center there. Just pull that away. That unlocks it. Take hold of the lower housing. We're going to start removing that next. Just pull that away from its tube. With the housing out of the way, look down along the driver's side of your transmission, and this is where you're going to find your transmission speed sensor. We're going to start with our electrical wire connector. It has a locking tab. Squeeze it in and pull it out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion and set that aside. Now with that wiring harness disconnected, we're going to start removing the sensor itself. There's a 10mm headed mounting bolt. It's fairly difficult to see. It's located just underneath this engine mount. I have a mirror here so you can see what it looks like. With that bolt removed, we're going to take hold of the sensor. We'll give it a little wiggle side to side, attempting to break it free from the transmission. There is going to be a rubber O-ring that may hold this in place. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of our transmission speed sensor, we want to make sure we clean and inspect the mounting port on the transmission itself. For this, I'm just using a clean rag. I'm not trying to use any type of detergent that might make its way into the transmission. Now we can install our transmission speed sensor. You're going to find that you have an O-ring on the sensor that needs to be lubricated. Lubricate that with some clean transmission fluid. Let's start sliding this into place. We'll align it with the transmission, press it in straight. Once it feels as though it's bottomed out, you can align the mounting bolt port, start that in, snug it up. And the torque for that will be 69 inch-pounds. Make our adjustments here. That's snug. Now we can torque to that 69 inch-pounds. Try to get my torque wrench on here. There we go. After confirming that that's properly secured in place, continue on with your electrical connector. One last inspection inside that area and we'll continue on with our lower air filter housing. We'll secure our wiring harness along the back side here. Just press that on. Listen for a click, make sure it's secured in place. It's time for the air filter. We want to make sure you have it in the proper orientation. One of your corners will be kind of squared off. We want to have that on the forward inside corner. Now for the upper housing, we're starting at an angle. We're bringing the forward side in first. We'll start bringing this down. Continue on with your 2 locking tabs along the rearward side. Double check to make sure your wiring harness is secured in place. If it's slid out of place, that's fine. Just go ahead and take it and slide it right down. Make sure that's secured as well. It's time for the inlet tube. Line it up, press it on as far as possible. Tighten your 10mm headed clamp. Double check to make sure that's secured. You do not want any dirty or unmetered air making its way into the engine. Now it's time for the engine cover. Line it up, press it down. Double check, make sure that's secured as well. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our transmission speed sensor. The next thing we want to do is close the hood and take the vehicle for a road test. We want to make sure we have no check engine light and no running condition. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.